Hello, this is my introductory page, and I would like to talk a little bit about why I have chosen each one of the things that I have put here. So the first one is from a recent trip of mine. It's Chicago, as you can see, and actually I took this picture only 2 weeks ago, and it was like only like 30 degrees. So can you see, like, I was wearing my cap, then my hoodie, and then another jacket and then another jacket because like it was so cold in there. So let's talk about the quote. So this is one of my, I think, favorite quotes, so I would like to add it in any of the article that I like to write as my theoretical background, because I so feel connected with this quote of Bakhtin. He says that the word actually exists, first of all, in other people's mouth, in other people's context. Then we hear it, and then we adopt it, so other people's words actually become our words. So this is quite, I think, how can I say, like, it was an eye-opening quote for me when I first learned it when I was in MA. So it basically says that students actually are not going to have their own, how can I say, hates or loves suddenly. They're going to develop their what they like and what they hate in their socioeconomic background and in a socioeconomic context. And because I'm affiliated with Penny Cook's power dynamics theories and Bonnie Norton's identity theories, so I believe that as educators, we can just provide students the context, and we are actually a little bit tied because the power relations in the society, the media and technologies are actually shaping what we think about something. So when we have beliefs, actually it's not only our beliefs, it is how we are manipulated to believe so. So our word, our beliefs actually are not our beliefs all the time. So this is what it says. And this was a little bit dramatic, so I want to continue with maybe the meme. So the meme is what I often use in my Turkish classes, especially when I try to, how can I say, get more Turkish students to my classes. So actually students to my Turkish classes more. And so I say that, hey, we do not have grammatical gender, the, that, das, el. We don't have these, and we don't have irregular verbs. So come and learn Turkish grammar. I use this a lot actually, so it's fun. And for this year, I created a video for my Turkish students. You can see it here, and it starts with a video about Turkey, and then I come into play and I talk about, like, most commonly asked questions about Turkish. Hey, we have these letters, and what else could be interesting? Are this class at the University of Arizona? Yes, look at this building. And like, these are some important questions that students often ask, and I wanted to add it because, like, you know, it's part of me here. And one interesting thing about me, so they have recently actually broadcast, as you can see on this window, now Tucson is represented with its snow. Just look at it. It was snowing, and I know this website. I said, okay, I'm going to take a video and I'm going to post it here. So if you want to see what kind of a place Tucson is, hey, it snows there. Interesting, right? So that was my plan. And because it's introductory, I didn't know actually what to put, so I just wanted to add my Instagram page, and you can see my travels. Like, I've been to, I think, I don't know, maybe 15 states in the United States, and like, I think over 20 countries in the world. So like, these are my travels, like so many places in Europe and in the United States, so you can see that. So overall, this is my Wakelet introductory page, and this is how I am actually annotating each one of them. Thank you.